What does youngster mean? A youngster is a young person, usually a child, teenager, or someone who is still growing and learning. In simple words, youngster means a young boy or girl. The word is commonly used in everyday conversation to refer to people who are younger in age. It is a friendly and informal word often used by adults when talking about children or teenagers. For example, parents may call their children youngsters. Teachers may refer to students as youngsters while speaking warmly about them. The word youngster usually describes someone who is energetic, curious, and still developing skills and knowledge. Here are some examples of how the word is used in sentences. The youngsters were playing in the park. He was a talented youngster with big dreams. The program helps youngsters learn new skills. The word can also be used in sports to describe a young athlete who is new but talented. For example, a young cricket player entering professional matches may be called a promising youngster. Youngster does not refer to a specific age, but generally means someone younger compared to adults. It carries a positive and casual tone and is often associated with youth, energy, and enthusiasm. In simple terms, youngster means a young person or child. Easy way to remember. Youngster means someone young in age,